answer for me. Don't care about your sign if you a cancer to me. I was taking people's shit, so the cash shit was free. I ain't never switched up, I just started doing me. Tell my papa that I love him, tell my grandma rest in peace. Going Kanye crazy, he quit.
Yo, Brent back with another video. Stop playing with me, you know what I'm saying? So today, I'ma take y'all with me to the car show. I got my white boy with me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is my little intro, you feel me? If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment, you know, and tell my, you feel me? And stay tuned, I'ma get back with y'all when we get inside. So we in the motherfucker. Got the mirror. It's pretty decent, you know, pretty clean. SS, definitely looking fine. What did we go? So, oh yeah, let's go see what's that. So let's see that C8 the Z06 supercharged. I'm playing. It's tough. Expecting that bitch. White. That bitch fine, I ain't gonna lie. That bitch clean. That bitch clean. That bitch hard. Which front y'all say look better? Let me show y'all. This the front. And this the front of the other one. This the front of the other. Which one y'all say look better? Comment down below and let me know. Five volt motherfucker. This bit tough, I ain't gonna lie. I'm fucking with it. Big front end. Nice wood. Let me show you the other side. With this far, nice runs on that motherfucker. See the back looking like. Back tough. Yeah, I'm fucking with the GT. Y'all comment down below if y'all messing with the GT. Y'all let me know. So, got the Hellcat motherfucker. Big red eye, you know what I'm saying? Supercharger in that bit. Big boy pulley. Big air intake. Big Ben Bros. Although they ain't bros, they SRTs. So I thought. Ain't gonna lie, them bitches got some big ass wheels on that bitch, not gonna lie to you. Them just big as fuck. You know what I'm saying? But big wide body though. Let me know what y'all think down below. What y'all caught? I don't even know the MSRP on it though. Let's go see.
Supercharge on there?
Yeah. I want to see what the MSRP. Yeah, man, I caught a bit with wide body. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all let me know below what y'all caught. You feel me? So you got that red eye motherfucker. That wasn't red eye, that was the Hellcat. Just that big boy red eye. You know what I'm saying? Big boy red eye, that was 5 spokes. Man, see that red gut interior. You know what I'm saying? Sunroof. That bitch clean. This one, with the little spoiler. Yeah, that bitch clean. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Would y'all caught the red eye Challenger or would y'all want the Hellcat Charger? Yo, so I was just getting the, you know what I'm saying, the normal cars. I'm finna go downstairs and get the foreigns, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. We'll get back with y'all when we get downstairs. So we at the lower level, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna get into it. You feel me? I'm gonna show y'all some interesting things. It's getting a little better. The first one was a little mid, a little regular, regular cars. You know what I'm saying? Normal shit. But Now it's finna get interesting. Y'all boys stay tuned. So we're gonna get with y'all soon. Yeah. Got him clearing. I don't know what this is. This, I want to say it's a Lucia. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain this joint. But it's kind of clean, you know. Nothing too crazy. You know, so let's see what that front end looking like. Yeah, the front end hard. Like, that is hard. Let me know what y'all think down below. Leave a like. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like it? Yes, that's the old Super. Oh, Super. Oh, that's a Mark 3 Super. Lexus. Clean little Lexus. Ooh, that cherry red skyline. I ain't gonna lie, that bitch is tough. Acura. So, yeah, the Honda Acura NSX. Another Super. We got the Chameleon STI. Got another STI. See, me personally, I like the rims on. I like how the tires are indented on both of these. But me personally, I can't do it to my car. But you know, y'all let me know what y'all think. Would y'all do this? Would y'all do that to your wheels on your car? Let me know down below. So over here, we got the more big double R. Big RR, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me get a better view for y'all. Let me walk around. So yeah, good Rolls Royce, you know what I'm saying? I want to say this is a Phantom, either a Phantom or a Ghost. I think that's the Ghost. I think this is a Phantom. But y'all let me know which one would y'all pick, gray or black? Me personally, I'm going with the gray. I like that photo. You know? Ferrari. I want to say this 458 Pista. Not 458 Pista. I forgot what the name of this car. This the FS90. SF90, if I'm not mistaken. This is a F12 or this is an 812 super fast. This is cool. Not gonna lie, I like the spec. Red or blue? What would you pick?
I personally go with the blue.
You go with the blue? Why? Why?
The color is of course nice. They got a yellow liner.
Okay. I like it.
Which one is this?
I actually don't know. I want to say this is the SF90, but I might be wrong.
And this one is what?
This should be the 812 super fast.
So you go with red?
Yeah, I'm going on the red spec. On to the next, man. Let's see. We're on Lambos. You feel me? Dream car right here. Dream car right here. I'm telling you, one day, I'm getting one of these, alright? Aventador. I want to say this is the Aventador S. These both Aventador S's. That's the SV. These the SVJs. See, nah, me personally, I want an SVJ, but I can settle for it. I can settle for an S or an SV, you know what I'm saying? But the SVJ, that bitch too tough, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I'm talking with him. What you think? What you think about the Aventadors?
I like it, you know. If it was me, I go to Aventador, what? SVJ? SVJ.
This is the SVJ. This is the S.
Okay.
And this is the SV.
What's the difference between? I see they got the extra ring on the back.
Okay, so the S, literally every S, every letter is 100 more thousand. So the S is, I want to say 100 or something. The SV is 2 something. And the SVJ is almost like $250,000. Or they done at $1 million right now. More than $250,000, like 500.
Which one you gonna start off with?
Me personally, I'll start off with an SVJ. Man, SV. Then I'll move to the SVJ. But if my money and my credit is good, I'm going with SVJ, of course. For sure. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Lights dumb hard, you feel me? We got some track car. Got them off of R34. You know what I'm saying? Big boy young. You know what I'm saying? Big boy, yeah, homie. I can't even think of the name, but it's the F1 SPG Skyline GTR, you know. Nice spec. And we got the Porsche. I want to say this is the new GT2 or GT3 RS. Carbon on the hood. Cut side skirts. This beauty. This is beauty right here. I'm not gonna lie. I like this. And then we got the Mark 1. We got the Mark 1 5. Hold on, what's in the front? Good. Really got horns. Okay, that lets you know that's something serious. Mark 1, I like the rims. What you think about this?
So, this is better than what is it called? The Shelby?
Yeah, I want to say this should be better than the Shelby. Or it should be up there. Competing.
When they started making the Mach 1s? Was it Mach 1 or
Mach 1s. They've been making Mach 1 since, I want to say like 19 something. They've been making them for a minute.
That's the first time hearing about it.
Yeah, it's cool. So big boy Bentley. You know what I'm saying? I like the big boy Bentley. Evo, Hurricane Evo. Big interior. Big boy ears. Big lamb chop. Me personally, I'm into supercars. This is definitely, I'm gonna for sure get one of these as well. Big real lamb. I put the this is the I want to say this is the, you know the name of this. What this McLaren called? This the one that you want. This the one that Corey got. You don't know the name? This I think this the GT. GT. Yeah, that's what this is. This is GT. And this is 720S. I definitely know what this is. Definitely want to get one of these for sure. But they're too hard. Yeah, but another big double R. Big boy Cullinan. Oh shit, we got a fucking Gotti shirt. Like Jesus, hold on, I gotta get him on the camera. It's too hard. Ain't gonna lie, the rims are a little different. The rims are definitely a little different. You know what I'm saying? But the spec hard, smoke green. Got the big 16 on the grill. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think of me. Y'all messing with the Bugatti? Yeah, no. Yeah, and they. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know. But for F40, I want to say yeah, it's F40. We got the old school. We got the classic Aston Martins. You know what I'm saying? What you think about classics? You into classics?
Yeah, I like more of classes like Chevy classics.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Ferrari. And we got the Challenge. It's not the 458. It's the I don't even know. I'm surprised. I really don't know the name of this. I want to say that. I can't even tell you. But I know this is a 458. That's a 458 Challenge. And I want to say this white one. This white one is a 458 Challenge too, as well. And this blue one should be a 458 Challenge too. Well, no, these actually the same as those, but I don't know the name. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know which Rory would y'all take home? Which y'all pick? Who would y'all pick? Who would you pick? Which one would you pick? Would you take?
What's the selection? What's the selection?
Out of from the red one all the way down, because the other red one is the same as these two right here.
I go with the first one.
The first one, the red one, 458. Okay. Nice decision. I fuck with that. Then we got the other Ferraris over here. I know y'all know the name. If y'all know the names of those Ferraris, comment down below and let me know, because I forgot them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought I was gonna remember, but you know, y'all comment down below and let me know. Old school or modern? You let me know which one would y'all pick, and comment down below the names if you know it. That motherfucking Roush, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Roush. Big boy Fox body. You know what I'm saying? What y'all picking? Roush, Fox, man. Especially me, I ain't gonna lie, I like the Roush. I like both. Not gonna lie, I like both. And I like these style Mustangs too. The GT is definitely coming. They got the mark on over there too. As well, but y'all let me know what y'all think. This probably gonna be it for the car show. You know what I'm saying? Y'all drop a like and leave a comment. And y'all let me know what y'all want to see next. And we'll get back with y'all soon.
Cream and go lean, keep me meditating. No hesitation, sliding dirty with no registration. Any shit quick and I'll leave before I hit you, baby. Grab the pot, let's hit the stove and go get situated.
Talk to him. Hitting that money like I'm a Packers fan. We barely made it out, but we here. You gotta understand.